how you can make your first $3,000 or $2,500 per week with ClickBank affiliate marketing using Google Ads. Now, I'm using both Facebook ads and Google Ads, but in this case, I'm going to talk about Google Ads. Why? Because in this case, we are looking for buyer's intent. What do I mean by that? As you can see over here, if you want these kind of commissions daily or weekly, right, what you have to understand is that when doing affiliate marketing, you have to understand not all traffic, not all clicks or audiences are equal, are not the same, okay? Right? For example, you'll have people posting ads and hoping someone clicks and buys, right? You heard Guru on ClickBank saying in different courses that you pay for before, right? If you ever bought some courses, they're telling you make ads with curiosity intent. It means that make weird images or awkward images so that people are going to wonder what is this, click on it. But what they don't tell you, what is the secret, is there is no buyer's intent, okay? Those are people who waste your money on ads. You're basically wasting the cash every day doing what the gurus are teaching you to do, which doesn't work. It's outdated. And again, it's not your fault, okay? Because all you have to do is understand you need to have someone who guide you through step by step, hand holding you one-on-one along the way, all right? So let me show exactly what you can do. Now, before I do that, you can reach out to me later over here, as you can see over here, right? On my Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, or email, right? So all this will be below, where you can see all the results that I'm sharing with you. Now, let's go straight into it. So you can understand exactly how you can do this with Google Ads. First of all, you have to understand this. I'm not sure if anyone told you that, but there are core emotions of each market. For example, in females' dating space, it's control. That's the core emotion. In dating, for example, it's also the hope for men. In cryptocurrency, it's certainty, right? For example, what do we mean by that, certainty? When you're promoting crypto offers, it's all about certain coin making you cash, right? It's all about certain. So being certain is great for buyer's intent. And in weight loss, it's shame. You see, when you're promoting ClickBank weight loss supplements or any other, MaxWeb, whatever, there's many affiliate networks, you have to understand it's not just about targeting, putting something on the landing page or pre-sale page or ClickFunnels and hoping you make sales. No, it doesn't work like that. Okay? Maybe you wish, but it doesn't. So once you understand how to do this correctly, then you're gonna get aha moment. And you realize, like I realized, heck, this can work really well, because if you can make $100 sale per day, it doesn't take a genius to duplicate step by step to get $300 or $500 per day in affiliate commissions, all right? You never have to show your face. You have one-page blog or website, pre-sale page, and again, I'm showing you, when you work with me one-on-one, I'm showing you exactly what are the 5 points that you have to use to pre-sell on your landing page before the sale happens, right? Because it's all about buyer's intent. People go on Google to look for the solutions to their pains and problems that they're dealing with every single day, right? When you have pain or problem, you also go on Google and search first, either to get informed or to make a buying decision and buy now. So as you're watching this video now, maybe you lost some money on ads, maybe you tried an affiliate marketing and didn't work out, right? But that's the same like going to some restaurant, right? And the food was not good, okay. Now, just because one time the food was not okay doesn't mean the next one is going to be the same, right? So as you watch this video now, listening to my voice, make a decision, right? If you're serious, to take action now, not procrastinate and get results, right? Because you need to have someone who will guide you through step by step along the way. Because let's be honest, if you already knew how to make $10,000 per month, you wouldn't be watching this video right now, right? You'll be doing it. But because you don't, and the reason you don't know and you can't make even $5,000 maybe per month is because you tried different things. You tried maybe affiliate marketing with some other courses. Maybe you tried outdated methods. Maybe you tried Amazon e-commerce. Maybe you tried MLM. Maybe you tried Pinterest marketing. I don't know, right? You have to understand all traffic sources are different because the audience attention level and interest level is different, right? TikTok, for example, it works well if you know how to drive leads and sales over there. Again, the audience is different, right? They are there to be entertained. Same with YouTube, right? Facebook, social media again, right? So you drive leads, you drive people, human beings, eyeballs to the page. But what is the purpose of the page is to pre-sell, not to sell. The biggest mistake people think, just slap some images up there on the freaking page on ClickFunnels and hope it sticks, and then run ads to it, and then heck wonder why you don't get the results, right? Let me show you also this. Let me show you over here, okay? This is very important, okay? So I'll show you this. People are paying $3,000 for this sometimes, okay? I'm giving you for free now. Over here, we talk about core emotions of the market before, but what about the ad structure, okay? Or let's call it ad strategy, right? We have a headline, right? The old was AIDA, right? Attention, interest, desire, action, call to action, CTA. That used to work. Now it's a little bit different on Facebook and Google, right? So the way you structure your ads for what? Low emotional states and high emotional states, okay? Now that's why you wonder why you're not making any money, right? Because you don't understand. There are people who will watch VSL or webinar for 1 hour or 3 hours and buy. And then there are gonna be people who are gonna say, just get to the point, don't waste my time. You see, we have different audiences. So for each audience, you have to correlate your landing page in a different manner, in a different way, right? If you just get this, you could be making $10,000 per month just like this, right? Because let's be honest, what is $10,000 per month? Let's break it down. How much is this per day or per hour? It's $75 per hour or $300 per day. You can go on ClickBank right now, check products. They're paying $1,000 per sale and $50 per sale and $200 per sale and $100 per sale, right? It doesn't take a genius to get 3 sales a day. 3 sales a day, right? Maybe spending $25 on Google Ads per day and making $150 to $200 back. Yeah, it's possible if you have a great average order value and upsell take rate. What do I mean by upsell take rate? People buying on the back end and you still making money on ClickBank, okay? So if you're watching this video and you're serious, and I know you are because you're still watching, what you can do next is you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and below this video, in the description below, you'll find the links to my WhatsApp number, my Instagram, my Facebook, email, right? You can connect with me one-on-one. But only if you're serious, right? Only if you have, look, I'll tell you now, if you don't have at least $1,000 to $5,000 US to invest in yourself, to do something with that, then do not reach out to me, okay? So I don't want to waste your time either. Let me know, work out the plan and see exactly what we can do, okay? Because once you start seeing how this works, then you will be able to generate results, to make the amount of money you want to make, right? And do the things you want to do. So again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful tips.